students, in today's session we are going to learn the median for grouped data. As we know that the median, that is mid value of the data. So we have done median in the earlier classes, how to find the median. Let us recall the median of ungrouped data. For finding this, first of all, we arrange all the given data in ascending or descending order, and then we observe the number of observations or number of values. Is it even or odd? If the number of observations are odd, so the mid value or median becomes n plus 1 upon 2th observation. And if the number of observations is even, then the mid value is average of n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term or 1th observation. So these two defines the median or mid value of the data for ungrouped data. What about the median when the data is grouped? For grouped data, we use the cumulative frequencies. Now here, the meaning of the cumulative frequency is defined as a running total of frequencies. Total of frequencies is the cumulative frequency. The frequency of an element in a set refers to how many of that element there are in the set. Cumulative frequency can also be defined as the sum of all previous frequencies up to the current point. So, the median for grouped data defined as median L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into h, where we have n is the number of observation or values, L lower class or we can say lower limit of the group containing the median, h height of the class interval, as we know that upper limit minus lower limit is the height of the class or size of the class. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the groups before the median group. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the groups before the median group. F, frequency of the median group. So let's solve, or we can say the median we will find now by using the formula for grouped data. So here, this is the question number 1 of exercise 14.3. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median of the data. Monthly consumptions given in units and number of customers are the frequencies. The monthly consumptions given in the grouped data 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. That meaning in the class interval 65 to 85 there are 4 consumers, 85 to 105 there are 5 consumers, and so on. So let's find out the median. As first we have to prepare the cumulative frequency table, as we have given the class intervals and frequencies. In the next column we will find out the Cf, that is cumulative frequency. It is the sum of all the frequencies. First 4. In the second class interval, cumulative frequency becomes 4 plus 5, that is equals to 9. In the next class interval, cumulative frequency becomes 9 plus 13 is equals to 22. In the next, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20, that means we can say 22 plus 20 is 42. In the next, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14, or we can say 42 plus 14 is equals to 56. And next, 56 plus 8 is 64, and next 64 plus 4 is 68. As we are finding the median, that is the mid value. So whatever the number of observations are here, we have to divide this as n by 2. 68 by 2 is 34. Now this 34 lies in the class interval. Observe here in the CF. In the CF column, is there 34 we can observe? No. But it can be lie. Is it in 22? No. 22 is less than 34. Is it in 42? 42 is greater than 34. So, this 34 lies in this CF42, which is for the frequency 20, and here its class interval is 125 to 145. So, we can say 34 lies in the class interval 125 to 145. Now, this class interval 125 is the lower limit and 145 is the upper limit. For formula for the median of group data, we have L is equals to 125, which is the median class 125 to 145. Height, that means size of the class interval, is difference of upper limit and lower limit, that is 85 minus 65, 105 minus 85, 125 minus 105, 145 minus 125, and in the same way when we find the difference of these all class intervals, we get that there is the difference of 20. So here the height of the class is 20. F, that is equals to 20, that is frequency of the median class is 20. CF, cumulative frequency before the median class, it is 22. Now we have the values L 125, H 20, F 20, CF 22, and by 234. By putting these values in the formula, median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, we get 125 plus 34 minus 22 upon 20 into 20. Now here, this 22, this 20 and this 20 will cancel out. So next step we get 125 plus 34 minus 22. Now it is 125 plus 12, or we can say 137 is the median. Now this median is about the consumption units of electricity. So here we can say median consumption of electricity is 137 units. So the monthly consumption of electricity is 137 units. So in this way we can find out the median for the grouped data.